Hi my dear all students. I'm feeling my all students are fine, right? Okay. This is your third class of mathematics. Okay. Actually last class we already learned the methods of representing the sets. Okay. The two types of method, roster or tabular form, and the same way the set builder form, right? Okay. I already explained everything, and that after I given some homeworks for my students, right? Okay, and this is your third day of mathematics class. Okay, today we will going to learn the types of sets. Okay, today we will going to learn the types of sets, right? Okay, commonly now I will introduce the three types of sets. Okay, the three types of set. The first one, the empty set, right? Empty, we know what's the meaning of empty, right? Empty is null. Okay, right? From here, what's the meaning of empty sets means any numbers, any elements, okay, any sets can't possible to write any single elements, okay, right? Inside that set is called the empty set. Already explained from here, a set which does not contain any elements is called the empty sets, okay? A set which does not contain any elements, right? Not for that one also, we can possible to say the which set can't possible to write, okay, which set can't possible to write, for that set also we can say that empty set. Okay, for a simple example, let a is equal to, okay, set for x such that 1 is x is greater than 1 and x is less than 2, right? And x is a natural number, right? Okay, this already explained here. 1 and 2 is here, right? 1 is the smallest natural number and 2 is the second one natural number, right? Between these two numbers can't possible to find any natural numbers, right? Okay, because this is the first counting number, 2 is the second counting number, right? Okay, between these two numbers we will find the decimal numbers only, right? Then we can say this set is an empty set, right? The same way I already told which sets we can't possible to write, okay, that set is called the empty sets, right? Simple example, the old persons, right? The old person's name in Assam, who are living, the old people's name in Assam, right? Can't possible to write that name also, we can say that set also we can say is an empty set, right? Okay, this is the explanation of empty set, right? And the same way the second one is finite and infinite set, right? Finite, you know what's the meaning of finite? Finite is means which section can possible to finish, okay, which things can possible to finish, that we are saying that finite, right? And which things can't possible to finish, that we are saying that infinite, okay, right? From here, what's the meaning of a finite and infinite sets, right? Is already written here. A set is which is consists, okay, a set which is consists the definite number of element, okay, definite means finish, okay, right? Finite and definite, the same meanings, okay, right? The a set which is consists the definite number of element is called finite sets, okay, right? Okay, simple example, the natural numbers less than 10, right? The set of all x such that x is a natural numbers less than 10, this is a finite. Okay, this set is a finite set, okay, right? The same way we can possible to say, you can see here, check it here, the set of all x such that x is a natural numbers, right? X is a natural numbers, right? Then we can possible to write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, right? But the set is not finite, right? That is not finite. That set is called infinite number, right? Is already I given two example from here, right? Let W be the set of the days of a week, okay, of the week, right? Okay, W be the set of the days of a week. We can say the 7 days in a week, right? We can possible to write the day's name also, right? Okay, that's why it's a finite sets, right? The same way, let be the points on a number line, okay, let B be the points on a number line, right? We know in a number line, okay, between 1 and 2 we can possible to mark millions, otherwise billions of points, right? Okay, for that we can possible to it will not finish, okay, right? This will not finish. We can't possible to finish that one, right? Okay, we can possible to mark more points into number lines, right? Okay, that set is called the infinite set. That set is called the infinite sets, right? Okay, then the last one is equal sets, right? You know what is equal, right? What's the meaning of an equal, right? Okay, the definition is the two sets contains exactly the same elements, right? The two sets contains exactly the same elements, right? Simple example, we can say that means the set, okay, right? One set is equal to, set A is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, right? And the set B is equal to 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, right? One is in ascending order, another one is in descending order, right? From that, the same elements is same, right? The first one is coming the set A, one is coming in the first element, and the set B, one is coming in the last element. That's only the